Hello everybody, and welcome in this video where we're going to be talking about Air, Airtable subaccount from our workflow apps. This tool is going to help you automate actions directly from your workflow app for your Airtable account. So how do we set it up? Inside your subaccount, you come at the app marketplace, and then you search for the app, Airtable, store, allow install. There are some keys required in order to get the installation going. So how do you get all those keys? Being some smart key here, so they're not going to help you get all those keys. But let's do it together. Let's switch to our Airtable account. You come here, menu, account. Here is either if you come here at the Go Developer Hub, and you come here at the integrations, and you register the own. Actually, these are the key that we already created. Go inside it, but let me show you how to create. In fact, the name here, let's say application, for example. So here you're going to paste the redirect URL, take it from the app inside your server account. When doing installation, you get server account. So if you come here, you just have to copy this redirect URL. There you have to paste here, registration, down. And of course, you have the client ID in copy. Let's copy the client ID. Come here, we paste, switch back. Here you have generate the client secret. Generate the client secret, copy, go back, paste, and we continue. And before, make sure that you done it here, okay? You check all these boxes. You come down here, grant access, save changes, and the changes I'll say. Let's switch back, confirm, complete installation, perfect. So you open it in your window where you have to copy a new redirect URL. You have to go and edit the first redirect URL that you first use to create all the keys. So let's copy, switch back, come up here, and edit this one. And it show you the same change, and you switch back. You have on install. So this means that the tool is already connected to your Airtable account. So you guys are now able to execute actions related to your workflow or your Airtable account. This is very amazing. So if you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out. We have a support team who is very dedicated and available 24/7. Thank you for watching, guys.